Outages, whether scheduled or unexpected, demand swift action and clear visibility to maintain business continuity. Hitachi Energy's Network Manager Outage Management System empowers distribution utilities to do exactly that. It speeds up power restoration and minimizes outage impact while ensuring every stakeholder stays informed and every action remains compliant. By seamlessly integrating with your SCADA and work management systems, Network Manager OMS connects your control center and your field crews. It enables mobile operations, synchronizes dispatch, and ensures the right teams reach the right location at the right time with precision and safety. Even in the most severe storm conditions, the system helps you anticipate outage locations, identify who is impacted, and execute restoration plans through electronic switching orders with real-time feedback. With automated notifications, your stakeholders know what's happening at each step of the way. This helps build trust and transparency with your customers, regulators, and the media. The result? Shorter outages, safer operations, clear information flow and communication from the first alert to full restoration. With Network Manager OMS, achieve grid harmony uninterrupted.